Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create models for compensation task worksheets. Building compensation models can help me align budgets and compensation awards with my organization's pay practices and guidelines. I can use models to determine manager budgets based on various criteria, such as performance ratings or current comp ratios of eligible people in their management hierarchies. I can also automatically allocate compensation amounts based on each person's country, job, grade, and quartile. Here are all of my plans with active compensation cycles. I can create models for any of these plans that are configured to let me. I can see all the models I created and any global models available to me. Global models are created by compensation administrators for managers to use. I'm going to create a performance management salary model for the 2021 annual compensation plan. Model properties determine how the model is built and who can access it. The allocation method determines the values I can enter in the model. Models let me select up to 4 criteria. In this case, I want to model by 2 criteria, job and performance rating. By default, the model includes all of my people who are eligible for the component. For this model, I want to remove the people I'm about to transfer to another team. Elizabeth Mavry's team is transferring to another manager, so I want to exclude her and anyone who reports to her. I'll model an increase of 3% on the eligible salaries of all analysts who have a meets expectations performance rating. Ratings of 4 and 5 increment at a 1% increase each. Then I'll select the model purpose. I can apply a model as budget amounts, compensation amounts, or target amounts, depending on the available options. I'm applying this model as budget amounts. If I was using manager-level budgeting, the sum of each person's individual modeled amounts would determine each manager's budget amount. Now that I've selected all the criteria, I'll review the results. I can go through the results and see how the model affected the amounts allocated to each person. Then I can decide if and how I want to apply the results. I want to use this model to replace my existing budget values. Now that I've saved and applied the model to budgets, I can start allocating compensation. This concludes the Creating Compensation Models tutorial. Thanks for watching.